Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make a car rectangle in Photoshop step by step. Let's do. Create a new layer, right click, use rounded rectangle tool, move shape, fill, radius 10, 20, 13 or 14 pixels as you wish. Press enter. Then first one draw a rectangle, then secondly press Ctrl T, hold Shift G side, click to this icon, drop down menu, arc, 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 lower, upper. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.